The items that you're going to need for this project are, you can get any kind of rocks. This is just going to be to put in the box to keep the weight, to hold the weight. You're going to need one of these. It's the mini cordial glasses. You're going to need glitter. These rhinestones. And your light. I got both of these. This was in a package together. And you're going to need your diamond wrap. And the statue came from the Dollar Tree. And I've already painted it silver. And of course you need your spray paint. And then I have a clear coat to go over it to seal the paint. And you're going to need scissors, your E6000 glue, your glue stick, your glue gun and glue sticks, and you're going to need one of these boxes, just a plain box. And the first thing that I did was took my scissors and just found the center and just poked a hole in it, like this. It was just painting my box. And I have my box painted and it's dry. And I have my hole in the top also. I'm going to add this diamond wrap all the way around the top of the box. And I'll be right back. Okay, now since I've added my diamond wrap all the way around the top, now I'm going to just pour your rocks or whatever you're using for the weight. Just pour it in the box. Okay, top on it and just set it aside. And I'm going to add probably 2 rolls of diamond wrap around this top and then around the bottom rim. I've added my diamond wrap to the top and also to the bottom. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take Mod Podge. I forgot to mention you needed Mod Podge also. What I'm going to do is just brush some, just only on the part that looks like the clothes, and also inside of here, like right through here, and then on the head also I'm going to put Mod Podge, and then I'm going to sprinkle it with the silver glitter. Okay, I'm back and I've added my glitter. I've added it to the head, to the clothes, and inside of this, and all over the back. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my glass and I'm going to fill it up. Okay, then I'm going to take a thin layer of the E6000 and put it around the rim. And I'm also going to use a little bit of hot glue to hold it in place until the E6000 dries completely. I'm going to take the top off, and I'm going to hold the light from the bottom and just put it over it. And try to get as close to the center as you can. And just put. Okay, after you get it centered, then you're going to take your E6000 and go around the top of the other end. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue again. And then I'm going to take the Buddha statue and put it on top of it, but you got to make sure it's sitting in the right position or it will fall. Then I'm going to add some of these stones to it, for diamonds. I'm also going to add a little bit of hot glue to hold it in place temporarily. Okay, and that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.